What is going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog, as you see here, is thexking.com with another video. In this video, we're looking at 15 months of blogging of thexking.com. And let's just show you my stats here from Jetpack. Excuse me. And this month is in February. I got 2 days left. So right now I'm at 196 views for this month. And by today, Friday and Saturday, I'm expecting to be 210-ish. In January, we had 247. And December, we had 292. So back in September, I had 241. October, I had 283. So during this time period, it's going up, every month. And then November came, oh man, I'm going up. Now is my opportunity for that hockey stick. And December was, the same as last month, but January was 247, so it dropped, and this month is about 210-ish. I'm gonna say 210, be on the safe note. The blog is not going where I like where to go. I have over at least 100 posts, more than 100. When I first started in 2018, I did 30 posts in October. I did 30 posts in November. I think I did 30 posts in December. And since January of 2019, I was doing 3 posts per week. So that's 12 posts a month. And I did that every month last year, 3 posts per week. I think in August I did a blog post every day for 2 weeks in August. September, October, November last year, I did 3 posts per day, 3 posts per week. This year, January and February, is the same thing, 3 posts per week. Be consistent at it, and it's not getting results that I wanted to get. Now, these are my results. So my results are extremely slow, especially when you have highs and lows. This here was one of my. I did a simple video on this, and it went viral for some reason, and then it's dropped down tremendously. And that blog post is still on the site, but it's not getting no views. The blog is not going where I wanted to go. It's very disheartening to see this, but you see other bloggers in 6 months they're making money. A year, they're making money. And they get lots more traffic, and it's disheartening when you put a lot of work in the beginning to get those blog posts ranked, and you're not getting the results that you want. So it's kind of disheartening. It's hard to keep going through it. It's like, am I doing this right? What's going on? What's the deal? It's very mind-boggling. But I decided to keep on going with the blog and keep writing content. Keep doing 3 posts per week on this site. I just make longer posts. Now some posts were short, some of 2,000 words, some was 1,500 words. I hire a writer for some of the content as well. That's on the site that already been published. But it's not producing. But this is a good lesson that blogging takes a long time. And if you decide to start a blog, have the notion, have the knowledge to know that it'll take a while. Now, granted, I am getting views to the site. The site is getting visitors to the blog, but it's not where I wanted to be at. But my blog is further than other people's blogs that have started getting no views. I'm ahead of that person, but for the content I put in there, the work I put in, I should be way more ahead. So I'm gonna continue on writing content for the site. It's very passive because, for me, I do 3 posts per week, and that's 12 per month, and I write a lot of posts, and I'm good all the way till, I'm good for that couple of months on content. Excuse me. I'm good on content right now, so I'm not worried about um, producing content right now. But I'm gonna keep on with the blog. Um, I'm gonna keep on writing. I'm gonna keep on writing. Um, let's go to the weeks. I believe that Google will rank all my content. As you see here, the weeks, you know, 55, 60, 70. This week has been really, really slow for us content is concerned. I think February is always slow. On my YouTube channel, it's slow as well. Um, on my other blog I have, it's slow as well. It's February is a slow month. It is. It's a slow month. It's a short month, and February is almost done already. So, um, 2020 is here. I'm going to keep on writing more blog posts and keep hiring writers, write more content. I believe in the site. Um, just keep on writing content. So my advice to anyone that looks discouraging to this, these are my results. Your results might be better than mine or worse than mine, but you see that I do have people coming to the site. So my biggest takeaway is to keep writing content. Don't never stop writing content. I got 6 views today. Not much, but don't give up. Keep writing content, and persevere above everything else, and you will be successful. So I'm gonna continue writing. I'm not gonna give up. You know, this is the time that I should write more content. Since I've wrote so much content in the past, when Google ranks my stuff, it's gonna rank all of it. I got a feeling they're gonna rank all of it. I think I'm gonna get like 40, 30. I got a lot of posts. I think I'm gonna get like 30,000 page views a month on this site. I got that much content. So if you look at it as, okay, 2018, I probably wrote 60 posts back then and it hasn't ranked yet, it will rank. It will rank. It's been indexed already, it will rank. It takes longer, but it will rank. So that's the end of my video. The takeaway for the video is you see my results, I'm not where I'm at, make it. Get the traffic, write the content, keep producing content for the site, and I will be successful. You will also be successful. Don't let these numbers discourage you. I'm not going to start a blog because look how long it's taking you. A blog is very passive. I've been working my blog 3-4 times a week, maybe a couple of hours, and that's it. It's very passive, and the money potential is unlimited. So if you want to start your blog today, I have a link to bluehost.com. You can start your blog, get your hosting, start your blog, good domain name, start writing good content, and I'm still getting numbers. I'm still not numbers I want to get, but I'm still getting numbers. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching.